morning, class 3 students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. So, yes, welcome back to our EVS class. So, students, as you all know, we were doing chapter number 18, locating places, and that book work is done, but the notebook work is pending. So, today we will be completing that notebook work. So, I request you all to open your notebooks and start writing with me. So first of all we will be doing keywords, then we will be doing very short question answers, then very short question answers is not included in this chapter because that we have done in the book only, and then we will be doing short question answers and then long question answers. Okay, so yes, we are starting with the keywords here. Total 10 keywords, just wait. Yes, total 10 keywords are here. So the first keyword, as you can see on the screen here, the first keyword is direction. So what is the meaning of direction? Direction is a path or way where is people is moving, like we are moving on the way. That is a direction. And I told you about the four directions: east, west, north, and south. So if we are going somewhere, it is very important to know in which direction we are going. Okay. So yes, direction, D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N, that is direction. Okay, after that, after direction, there is a second keyword, that is locate, L-O-C-A-T-E, locate. Locate means find the exact position, like where we are going. We have to find in the map that where we want to go. We have to find the location that where we want to go. Okay, so this is the locate means exact position, L-O-C-A-T-E, locate. Then the next is sketch. Sketch, I told you, sketch, one sketch is that we draw it is a very rough drawing of a place or some country, so that is known as sketch. किसी भी जगह का हम एक rough drawing बना रहे हैं, that is known as sketch. And what is the difference between sketch and map? Sketch is a rough drawing and map is a drawing, proper drawing. We have to draw properly. Like I shown you the map. हमने किया था जो map अभी political map of India, and that you see कि हर एक का map same था और same ही draw किया हुआ था उस पे. So it means there is no little bit change there, but in sketch we can draw roughly. Okay. Then next is fourth keyword is landmark. Now what is the meaning of landmark? Landmark is object that can be seen easily from a distance. It is an object, or we can say it of a building also, that we can see from the long distance, that हमें दूर से वो दिखाई दे रही है place, that is the landmark. Okay, and wherever we want to go, we can search about those things which we can see from the long distance. Now, what is the meaning of distance? Distance is the fifth keyword, D-I-S-T-A-N-C-E, distance. Distance is the space which is between, like amount of space between the two places or two objects. Like I have these two objects, and the space between these two objects, यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक का जो space है, that space is known as distance. And like from my home to DPS, the distance, like the space, that is known as distance. Okay, so D-I-S-T-A-N-C-E, distance is the amount of space between two places, or we can say two objects. Then next is symbol. Symbol is a sign which represents something. कोई भी चीज को represent कर रहा है, that is known as a symbol. Symbol is a sign which represent, like signs, and I told you the signs are the landmarks, we can say. Signs को हम landmark के उसमें show करते हैं. Okay, then next is here explanation. Now what is the meaning of explanation? Explanation means a statement that makes something easy to understand. Like if you want to if you are learning something and it is very difficult to learn for you, so first of all you want to like आप उसको easy conversation में चाहोगे कि what is the meaning of this thing, तो हमें easily पता चले. राइट. अगर इजीली हमें उस चीज के मीनिंग पता चल गया है, देन वी कैन मॉड्यूलेट दैट एंड वी कैन लर्न द डिफिकल्ट वन ऑल्सो. सो यस, explanation means the statement that makes something like easier to understand, जो हमें अच्छे से आसानी से समझ आ जाए, that is the explanation. EXPLANATION, explanation. And as map, I told you here the difference between sketch and map. And map is a drawing of a country, of a city, of a town. So it is a map. Ninth keyword is colony. Colony is a place, like we can say area that is ruled by other. कोई और उस चीज को rule कर रहा है, but we are all living in the same place, and that is known as colony. And then entrance. Entrance is the entry part, entry location, जहाँ से कहीं enter कर रहे हैं हम, that is the entrance. So yes, these are the 10 keywords. Again, once again, I am repeating all these. So write it down properly in your notebook. First is the direction, locate, sketch, landmark, distance, symbol, explanation, map, colony, and entrance. So yes, these were 10 keywords. Now we are starting with the short question answers. So everyone make a heading of short question answer. Like this, everyone make a heading of short question answers. And in your book only 2 short question answers are given, but here we are doing total 5 short question answers. So there are little change which is not in your book, but we are doing in our notebook. So the first question is, what is a sketch? So yes, what is a sketch? Sketch क्या होता है? I think all of you know. अभी मैंने keywords में भी explain किया. What is a sketch? Right? So right here, a sketch is a rough drawing or a map. A sketch is a rough drawing of a place. That's it. A sketch is a rough drawing of a place. Okay. Then question number 2 is, what is an atlas? What is an atlas? I think all of you know the answer, because I explained very clearly about the atlas. So what is an atlas? An atlas is a book of maps. An atlas is a book of maps. In that book only maps are there, and that book is known as atlas. Okay, do it quickly, giving you few seconds to write it. I'm erasing this, all the instructions. Okay, after that, question number 3. Question number 3 is define symbol. Define symbol. So yes, what is the meaning of symbol? As I explained in the keywords also, it is a sign. It is a sign which represents. It is a sign which represents a landmark. किसी landmark को represent कर रहा है, that is a symbol. It is a sign which represents a landmark. Clear? After this, question number 4. What is a map? Now, what is a map. Like in exam, I can ask what is the difference between sketch and map. So all of you should be clear about it, that what are the differences between them also. So a map is a drawing of a map is a drawing of a neighborhood, a city, or a country, Clear? So what is a map? A map is a drawing of a neighborhood, a city, or a country. Proper drawing of this thing is known as map. After this is the last question of last question of short question answer. After this, we will be starting with the long question answer. So yes, next question is define a road map. So as I explained in the chapter about the road map, so what is define a road map. Okay, so now let's write the answer. What is a road map? Yes, right here everyone. A road map shows all the roads. A road map shows all the roads of a city. सारी सिटी की हमें roads show कर देता है. That is a road map. A road map shows all the roads of a city. Yes, so these were the short question answer. Now here are two long question answers. We are going to do that. After this, make a heading of long question answers, everyone. Long so yes, question number first is, what are the four directions? What are the four directions? Okay, then put question mark. What are their position? What are their position on the map? Position on the map. So yes, we have to tell about the four directions and we have to tell about their positions on the map. So yes, first of all, write here the directions. How many directions I told you? 4 directions. The 4 directions are, first one is east, west, north and south. Okay, the 4 directions are east, west, north and south. Now we have to tell their positions on the map. So what are their positions on the map? Here, write everyone. On a map, then put comma. The top shows. So here I am making that sign जिसमें मैंने आपको explain किया था, right? I explained here about this. So what do we call that? Top shows Yes, the top shows north. The top shows north and just a moment. The top shows north and the bottom shows south. Right? Top shows north and the bottom shows south. After this, on our right, put dot, and on our right, here, this direction, on our right is east and on our left is west. Clear? So once again I am repeating this. What are the four directions? The four directions are east, west, north and south. What are their position on the map? On the map, the top shows north, the bottom shows south, and on our right is east, and on our left is west. So do it quickly, then we will be doing second question. You can make this also with this question so that you can keep it in your mind. Okay, now the last question of this chapter. Question number 2. What is a landmark? What is a landmark? How does it help us? How does it helps us? ये हमारी help कैसे करते हैं landmark? Okay, so let's write the answer. So all of you know about the landmark. What is the meaning of landmark? Let's write about it. A landmark is a something. A landmark is a something that you can clearly see from a distance. बहुत दूर से भी हमें वो जो place है, वो जो object or building we can see that a landmark is something that you can clearly see from a distance. It helps you to know. How does it help us? It helps you to know where you are. हम कहाँ पर पहुँच गए हैं? So we can find out that thing with the help of landmark. Where you are. A temple. With comma, a school. A hospital. Cinema hall, etc. All are landmarks. Again, I am repeating, what is a landmark? How does it help us? A landmark is a something that you can clearly see from a distance. It helps you to know where you are. And a temple, a school, hospital, cinema hall, etc. These all are landmarks. So yes, that is all for today. We did 18 chapter complete, and after this video I will not be sending any video, and along with this I am sending today homework of this chapter again. You have to do it in your notebook firstly, and one more thing, I am sending a worksheet of this chapter, so you all have to do and paste it in your notebook. So yes, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.